So we are discussing container data types, that is dictionary. So these are the various methods or functions. So what are the various methods, also known as functions? These are methods or functions, are interchangeable names. They can be called as method as a function. Now, so let us discuss each and every method in detail. The first one is going to be clear. So what is meant by a clear? So clear, see, always we call a method or a function with parentheses. Do remember? So similar to that of the print. If you want to print something, so here you need to write the content that you want to print. So similarly clear. So it removes all the elements from the dictionary. This is just like a one set removal of all the elements or contents present in a dictionary. That will evacuate all the items. That will evacuate the entire dictionary. And how to call this method? By its name. This is nothing but name of the dictionary, and the function will come here. That is clear. And inside this function, are we required to give any parameters? Does not require, right? It is an empty function. No parameters are required to pass through this function, right? And you know how to initialize, how to define a dictionary by using flower brackets. So within this, you can define your dictionary. It should possess a key corresponding value. Within this flower brackets, you can give whatever the number of keys and values you want to define. You can define it one after another, as usual, separated by a comma, right? This is a simple example. Here I want to define a dictionary called car. Car is a dictionary, and keys are nothing but brand, model, year. So these are the keys, and corresponding values are Ford, model, Mustang, and year 1964. Okay, so these are the values. And these are the keys. Okay, so now if I want to clear this dictionary, if I want to make this as an empty, you simply need to call like this: dictionary name followed by that clear. Okay, so let us do this in ideally. I will open the ideally simultaneously. So hope it is visible to all. I want to create a dictionary called car. So how to create it? Car, and open the bracket, flower bracket, and here you can assign multiple keys as well as the values. If it is a string, you need to put it in the form of a quotations. So first one is going to be the brand, right? And then it should be, there should be a colon. So brand, usually some name. So again, it is going to be a string. And here the example is Ford. After that, you need to give a comma. Car is the dictionary. Brand is one key corresponding value, and then model. Again, it is a string. right? What type of model we are seeing? It's a Mustang. And then year of manufacturing. So again, year is a string. Here is a string, so you need to put that inside the quotes. Here, so let us say 1964. You can end this dictionary, right? So these are the various elements present in this dictionary. So each element consists of a key corresponding to that a value, corresponding value, and two keys are separated by a comma. Okay. Now let me hit enter. Now if you check the type of this variable car, so it is of the type dict, that means dictionary. Okay, so what is the method we want to call? Clear car dot, so let us hold a minute, car dot, so will it, yes, it is going to suggest something. So these are the various operations that we can perform over the dictionary. So what is the first operation? Clear. So now if you ask to print the dictionary car, it's an empty dictionary. Car is now, it's an empty dictionary, which will clear all the elements present in the dictionary, right? That is a function, and the importance of this is to clean the, which will clean the entire dictionary. All the values present in the dictionary will be removed. Okay, now hope you understand this one. Coming to the second one, clear, and the next one is a copy. So this is not clear, this is copy. What a copy will do? So what is my copy? Returns a copy of the dictionary. You can get a copy, that is nothing but a duplicate. Okay, so actually car is the dictionary. This I want to copy into another variable called x. So where x is the copy of this or duplicate of this original dictionary car, right? Let us define the same dictionary and create a copy of this dictionary. The same one. Car is my dictionary. So here what we want to do, so if I select car, you can see everything. Now information is there. Once again we have recreated the variable car with set of keys as well as the values. Now what we want to do, we want to create a copy of this. X equals to dictionary name car dot. So what do you want to do? Copy, that's all. Right. Now if I click X, you can see the duplicate of this original dictionary car. There exists another variable with the elements of car. So this is nothing but, so what is it? Copy. So that you can create a duplicate one. The next one is going to be from keys. So the from keys is a function that will return the dictionary with specified keys and the specified values. Okay, so the syntax for this is as usual, dictionary name. This is the dictionary name, and then dot. So always all these methods are called through dictionary names only. This is a name. This is the name of the dictionary. and this is the method. Unlike the first two methods, in the case of first two methods, that is clear and copy, it takes an empty function. There are no arguments inside this function. The arguments are absent inside this two functions. But here it will take two arguments. This is argument 1 and this is argument 2. Argument 2 and this one is argument 1. What is argument 1? Argument 1 talks about the keys, specific keys. And then argument 2 talks about the values. Okay, so this is an example. X equal to key 1, key 2, key 3, and let us say y is 0, some value. And now I have created a dictionary name called this dict. This is this dict. Okay, so this is the name of the dictionary. This is the name of the dictionary. Which we want to create, name of the dictionary. And this is the syntax, dict dot from keys X and Y. So which means all these keys are going to possess the value which is 0. Key 1, key 2, key 3, all these keys are going to have a unique value which is going to be 0 only. Let us verify this in the ideally. This is called from keys. This is from keys. First, let us define the keys. What are the keys? X equals to key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4. I am creating 4 keys. So these are the keys. Key 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are the values. Let us say y equals to. So let me create like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you are going to create a dictionary name. So let it be this dict. Is the dictionary name, or some name, some other name you want to create, you can create. D is some dictionary name. So dict dot from keys. So what is there? X comma Y. Now if you check D, you will find the values for the corresponding keys. But surprisingly, all the keys are going to have values like 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I change the value of y like this, so y is equals to, y is simply, let us say 100. And once again, let me create dict dot from keys of X comma Y. Now this is in the correct form, but all the keys are going to have the same value, which is going to be 100. So don't worry about the order of these keys. Dictionary itself is an unordered system actually. There is no order for the elements or keys or values present in it. Though you have created in a specific order, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, so it does not require to give the order what we have initiated or created. Understand? So the from keys will give us a uniform value to all the keys. And this is how to specify or use this from keys, right? And now move to the next one. Understand this one, from keys. Understand? The next one is going to be the items. So the items are actually the item is a function or method which is used to view the objects. Which object? The specified object. The specified object created in the dictionary. So it is used to view the objects. The view object contains key value pairs, key and corresponding value of the dictionary. The view object will reflect any changes done to the dictionary. So here you can see the any change or modifications that are done to the dictionary. So this is how we can call this method. And once again, this is the name. This is the dictionary name of the dictionary. And this is the method or function we are calling. Item is the method, right? So let us check the status. So it is used to view the objects present in the dictionary in the form of key corresponding value. A pair will appear. So let us check this. So what we want to do, we are creating a dictionary first. Once again, it is going to be the car. So what are the elements? What are the keys? First one is the brand. Let it be Ford. And second one is going to be the model. Third one is going to be the year. Okay. So what we want to do? We want get the items or objects of this x equals to car dot items. Now if you ask x, so these are the items present in the dictionary. So it is not in the form of a key versus key colon value. So the dictionary items are, it's a pair. So it will display a pair of key followed by the value. That is brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. So these are the various items in the dictionary. That is the meaning. So see the next function. Next method is going to be the keys. So what is it? The keys is a method returns a view object once again. Again, another method used to view the object. The view object contains the keys of the dictionary as a list. This time you can get the things in the form of a list. The view object will reflect any changes done in the dictionary also. So same thing, let us check this. So how we want to view the objects? Let us say y equals to car dot keys. Okay, now y is, so this you can see in the form of a list. What are the keys? There are three keys: brand, model, and year. Can I call like this? Y equals to y1 equals to car dot keys we have seen values. So if I click y1, okay, print, sorry, y1 equals to car dot values. Now y1. So here you can see the list. You can see the list that consists of the values of the values of the dictionary car, and the values are Ford, Mustang, and the year, that is 1964. Which means one can get both the keys alone, or you can get the values alone by using these two methods. Next one is going to be the pop. Now here you want to remove the remove a specific key. So pop is an item. Pop is a method. Sorry, it's a method used to remove. It is used to remove objects present in the dictionary. Objects from the dictionary. That is, the method removes the specified item from the dictionary, and the values of the removed item is the returned value of the pop. So once we remove an object, so that means the deletion of objects from the dictionary. So what is it? Simply pop. And inside this, you need to specify the key. So which key you want to delete? Key as an argument. Key as an argument you want to delete, which you want to delete from the dictionary, that you can specify as an argument within this function, right? So let us move to this. So what I want to do, I want to pop. Pop means removal or deletion of objects from the dictionary. Car is the dictionary is already there. So let us pop car dot. So which one you want to do? Pop. As a method, the method is going to be the model. Yes. So now if I ask car, no, that complete object has been removed. The model and associated value, which is Mustang, also removed from the dictionary. But here you need to specify the key value, the key, not the value. And you can see that here, any key you are going to delete one corresponding value, which is also deleted from the dictionary, right? So this is a method to remove the objects from the dictionary. Hope you are clear up to now. Any doubt you can discuss with me. or otherwise we will proceed. And the next method is going to be the pop item. So previous one is pop and this one is pop item. So that removes the item that was last inserted into the dictionary. Okay, so that was the item last inserted into the dictionary. In so this versions we have, if you have Python 3.7, in the case of before Python 3.7, if you use the method pop item, it will remove an object randomly, just like pop. Okay, pop will remove the specified key and corresponding value. Pop item will remove random. See here, there is no how to call this method. Dictionary name car dot pop item. Pop item, which is an empty argument. Which is an empty argument. We are not going to specify any information within this parenthesis. It is an empty argument, right? So this method, so before 3.7 will remove any object randomly. That is what the meaning. Randomly it will remove the object. And after 3.7, that means if in the case of 3.8, 9 and 10, it will remove the last inserted. It will remove the last inserted object or key from the dictionary. So let us check this. So this time it is going to be pop item. Move to the ideally. What is car now? It has only two objects. One is brand, another one is year. So from here I want to remove something, that is car dot pop item. Okay, that's all. Now if I ask car, there is only one item available in the dictionary. So this key and corresponding value has been removed. Year and corresponding value has been removed. And now the dictionary consists of only one key and corresponding value. So this is what the meaning of what we can say pop item. And the next one, set default. This is another method, returns the value of the item with specified keys. Returns the value with specified keys. If the key does not exist, inserted the key with a specified value. So it is just like inserting a new key and corresponding value. Right, let us create the car dictionary car, so which is going to be first it is brand. So we said it is Ford, and then it is model. We say it is Mustang, and then we said year. Said it is 1964. Okay, fine. So now if you check the status, this is the dictionary car. This is the dictionary car. So from here, what we want to do? Set default car x equal to car dot set default. So which key? Let us say year. Maybe I want to change the year to some other value. Year, and then corresponding to that it is 1965.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if you see x, so this is what we can see in x car. So wait a second, I just come back after a minute. Hold on.
क्लासेस में नहीं आ रहा।
Welcome back. Let us see the few more methods. The next one is going to be set to default model. So wait a second, set to default. Okay. We asked to print X. What happened to X now? The next one is update. So here the method inserts the specified items to the dictionary. So in this case, we want to add new elements. If you want to add new objects or new elements along with the existing dictionary. So that's why we said dictionary is a mutable. It is a mutable object. So where you can add some new elements into the dictionary. So how to add the new elements? So far these are the keys and corresponding values. There are only 3 items in the list in the dictionary. Now we are going to add another one that is called color, with a key and value called color and white. Right? Use the function called update. So let us check the status of car. So there are only 3 items, 3 keys and corresponding values. So what we want to do, update car dot. Let us check. Yes, update is available in Python as this method. Update. You need to specify the key and corresponding value. So what we want to give color and corresponding value. So what is that corresponding value? You can give it as a white, or whatever the color you want to give, you can name that as it accordingly. Okay, so now it's telling invalid syntax. The problem is due to that function. See here, car dot update. So it is a function or method. Inside this, you need to call this flower brackets, open and close. That is, we have color colon, and within this you can specify the color as white. This is fine. You need to declare this as a method, and inside that you need to represent the actual structure of your dictionary, that is in the form of a curly braces. Now see here, this is one element, second element, third element, and the fourth element. So the last added element, the updated element will be there in the will be appear in the last place or as a last item. You can notice this updated element. Okay, so this is called update, and the next one is called values. We have seen, if we want to know the values, so what you want to know, if you want the values, you can check the values alone. If you want keys alone, you can check the keys alone. Car dot, if I call this one as keys, car keys, car dot keys. So these are the four keys present in the dictionary car. And similarly, you can know the values. Car dot values as a method. So these are the dictionary car values, right? So this we have seen. And the next one is going to be the get. So if you call method get, you can get the value of the specified key. Okay, key name and associated value also you need to provide depending on the situation. So let us check this car. The last method is called get. Car dot get. So is it yes, car dot get. Let me call this as a model. So what is that? So if I call X, it will give the specific value of the specific key which you want to get. So you want to get the value of a specific key, that is model, value of a specific key called model, and its value is called it will be written in X, right? Similarly, if I call like this, what will happen? X equals to car dot get. If I call both what is it, both key name and values, it does not require and another key, let us say year. Year, what is the value it will return? X equals to 1964, right? So these are the keys. This is how you need to get a specific value of a specific key, right? Now let us move to the PPT. We have done with this except arrays. Arrays is the only topic left here. This we will see tomorrow. And this will be the last element in this chapter. Right after this, we can move to the fourth module. Before we move to the fourth module, we will solve few number of programs. So tomorrow is the discussion on arrays, and after that we will solve multiple programs. Okay. So from tomorrow we will discuss till your first